Question 21. Brandon has an 8-inch square pan. Barbara has a 9-inch square pan. Both pans have the same volume. What is the ratio of the height of Barbara's pan to the height of Brandon's pan? Express your answer as a common fraction. So what we're really looking here is cuboids. We know that Barbara has a cuboid of some height, but we don't know what that height is. So it's some height, but we know that this is 8 and this is 8. So an equation for Barbara's would be 64a, 8 multiplied by 8. And then what we're doing is looking at this larger pan, so it'll have a smaller height. Start that again. Which we're going to call B. It looks smaller, but actually it's bigger. It'll be fine. So this one that's Barbara, and this is Brandon. And this is Barbara. This becomes 81b. Now we're told that these two equal each other. So we're told that 64a, that volume of that cuboid, is exactly the same as the volume of this. We're asked for a ratio, and we're asked for the ratio of Barbara's to Brandon's. And so what we do is we take this and we make B on its own. We want to have B on its own. So this becomes 64a divided by 81 equals B. And therefore the answer is 64/81. And that's the final answer.